was making over $10,000 a month in my car rental and dealership business, but I had nothing saved. If you're an entrepreneur making good money and you have nothing to show for it, this video will change everything. Here's the Instagram post that completely changed my financial future. Here's what most entrepreneurs get wrong about saving money. They try to save what's left over after expenses. Now that may be the traditional way, but for me it didn't work, so I changed that up. I learned this the hard way after 15 years of DJing and making thousands of dollars. I only had an engagement ring to show for it. The secret is paying yourself first, not last. Let me show you exactly how I did it. By the way, if you want to see my complete wealth building system that took me from broke to 100K portfolio, I got a free community where I break down everything. The link is in the description below, or comment grand and I'll send you the link directly. So here's what happened. I was scrolling on Instagram one day and I see this post that says save $1,000 in 52 weeks. So for me, $1,000 ain't nothing. So I said, you know what, let me challenge myself. I added a zero to it because I was already making $10,000 a month. I said, how hard could it be to save $10,000? So I challenged myself and just put a zero to the 1,000 to make it 10,000. And all the numbers on the chart, I added a zero to it. So I took this big scary goal and turned it into bite-sized pieces. You may be struggling to save a lot of money. The first thing you got to do is break it down into smaller actionable goals. So week 1 was 19 bucks, week 2, 200, week 3, 50. Those small amounts add up to something big. So when I seen the sheet and said $1,000, why not just do 10,000? So when I seen that challenge, I say, why 1,000? Why not 10,000? And I created my own version. But here's the key. I didn't just randomly save money when I felt like it. I created a system. Every single week, anytime money came into my business, I took a percentage first. Before paying bills, before buying inventory, before anything. I started small with 1%. Because here's the thing about being an entrepreneur. You can give yourself a raise anytime you want. When I worked a job, they told me what I'd make. Now I could decide. So I went from 1, 3, 5, 8 to 10. And every time I increased it, I felt amazing. It was like I was investing in my future self. Quick reminder, if you're getting value from this video, make sure to grab my free wealth building resources. Link in description or comment grand below. Now here's why this system worked and everything else failed. It wasn't about the money, it was about the psychology. Every week when I was hitting my saving target, that was a little win. And wins stack on top of wins. Sometimes I'd get unexpected money. A big deal would close or somebody would pay me early. Instead of spending it, I would save it. Before I knew it, I had $10,000 sitting right there. And growing up, I never had cash like that just sitting around. It was the proof that I could do this. That $10,000 became the foundation of everything after that. My $100,000 portfolio, my investment strategy, everything. The real secret wasn't the 52-week challenge. It was proving to myself that I could prioritize my future over my present, that I could delay my immediate wants now, that I could build wealth, not just make money. Look, if you're an entrepreneur making good money but you have nothing saved, you're not alone. I was there too. But this simple system changed everything for me. If you want to see how I turned my first $10,000 into a complete wealth building machine, join my free community. I break down the entire system, I show my portfolio receipts, and give you the exact steps to building your own wealth. Link is in the description or comment grand and I'll send it to you directly. You can watch this video next on the 3 stocks that helped me build a $100,000 stock portfolio. Don't wait, your future self thanks you for starting today.